Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to fix Microsoft Excel is not responding starting or opening. Watch this video until the end, and pay attention to the small arrows in this video to follow the steps. You just click Restart on your laptop or PC, and after that you can try opening Excel. Click Repair and wait until the process is complete. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.